Hello everybody, how are you? How are you doing? It's your colleague Murad Sultan Zwidi. Now I am sitting on the cafe and drinking my espresso, okay? And I'm thinking of, really I'm traveling with the final exam. How can I, let's say, put it in the online, in the Moodle, and I finally solved the problem. So I will show you how to prepare first of all a quiz. Okay, we start. I will move to dashboard, then I will move to math grade 10 bilingual girls and boys 1 and 2. Then I will come here then it, okay. Then I will make add an activity. Clear? So this is all what is given. I will move immediately to activities. Then here you can see the quiz. I will click to this quiz. Okay. Then I will write here the noun is mock quiz. Mock quiz 1 for class 10 of course. Then here I should write something here to describe the mock. Here I will tell that there is, or here this is the mock or short quiz or short test, or as you like, quiz that is based on the syllabus. Clear? Then point, I will tell them that you have only, for example, you have only 20 minutes, for example, 20 minutes to do this, to do it, okay, and submit it at time. Clear? We have only 20 minutes. Then I will make a display description on the course. Okay, so I will go now to timing. I will give time. I will give, for example, I will make this enable. I will make 7, okay, at, for example, 10 in order to be seen. And here I will make it also enable, and I will make here, for example, 12, okay, 48. Then the date I should change, for example, to 10, okay. Then here I will enable this one. I will give only 20 minutes. Clear? Now I'll move to the second part. I will never grade. You can give grade, for example, 10 of mark, or right here 10 they will pass, okay. Or you cannot also write it. You are free to do it. Okay, clear? Then now save and display. Clear? Okay, now you can see here, if you click here to the bilingual, math bilingual, and you will go down, okay, this is the listeners for grade 10 from the beginning, from the first semester. Okay, remove, everything is written here and recorded. Okay, now we move to this part. We'll see mock quiz. Okay, this is what I'm telling about. Okay, I will click to it, and it's written here. Look here, it's written. This is mock quiz 1. This is the mock quiz that is based on the syllabus. You have only 20 minutes to do it and submit. This quiz already is opened 7 April at 10:48 a.m. and it will close on 10 April. Time limit is 20 minutes. Okay, but I want to edit something. I'll check it is possible. Okay, everything is clear. So I will go back to my mock quiz. Now after doing that, look here, after doing that, now it's written no question have been added yet. Okay, you want to add the quiz or back to the course as you like, but here you should add the questions. Okay, you will come here at the parameters and you will make go down and make questions. We'll see this one, question blank. Come here and you will make this one is belonging to what? To mock quiz 1. Okay, clear? Now you should create or add questions. Okay, I will save this first. Okay, category, I'll move to category. What can I see? This is mock 1 0. Okay, question categories for quiz number 1 is mock quiz 1. Okay, now I will move to this one. I'll check what is inside. Okay, now I will start to create questions. Okay, I will create a question. I will make multiple choice, for example. Okay, for example, I will write here question number 1. Question 1. Then I will come to insert my question. For example, I will come here and I will question find the value of this one. I will just do this one, copy. Then I will come here to paste it. Okay, the question is now is find the value of the following of. Okay, here, given that f of x, for example, is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, the question is find f of 3. Okay, then I will write it here. Okay, then I will write here capital A. The answer 2 times 3 is okay, is 9. B, I will write 0. For example, C, I will write 1. Then D, I will write negative 1. Okay, this is the questions. The first question, you can see this is the correct answer. Okay, I will come here. Then I will make, for example, 2 marks for this question. I will make 2 marks. Then no need to general feedback, or you can write something here. F of 3 is equal to 2 times 3 plus 3 equal 6 plus 3 gives 9. Clear? This is the feedback that you can write, or no need to write it. Now you will make here multiple answer allowed, and you will come here to make capital letters. Why? Because the MCQ now is written in capital letters. Clear? The capital letters. You see A capital, B capital, C capital, D capital. Then you will come here. You have four options. Isn't option number 1 A, then B, then C, then D. So option number A gives 100%. B is 0%. This is 0%. This is 0%. Means A is correct. You should refill this. You will make the choice number 1 is capital A, is 100%. 100%. And you can write here the answer is 9. For the other options are 0%. Means what? 0% means none. Okay, B, no need to write here 0, and there is no 0%, but write none. Okay, here also C is none. Clear? Also question, the last option is D. If you have a question that has 5 options, you should add option number 5 and so on. Okay, then I will come here to save changes. Okay, now I can, for example, this is question number 1. Okay, this is question number 1. Clear? If you would like also to create another new question, you can create a question, another question, for example, MCQ. I will do it again for you. Okay, so question 2, just write question 2, MCQ of course. Then comes here and write your question or copy somewhere. For example, here I will take this one, I will copy all of this. Okay, I will copy this. Okay, copy. Then I will come here, I will make the graph of quadratic equation or function is drawn on the coordinate plan below. Okay, I will stick it here. This is a photo. Okay, I will erase this one. Okay, but I should come here. Why does no copy? Okay, then I will come here to make Control V. Okay, I will write it here. Okay, I will erase it to make it small. Clear? I will make it very small like that. Maybe it can't appear, but we will see. Okay, for example. Okay, then I move to this one. I will try to okay, now the question is, I will write here find f of, for example, 2. Okay, then I will write here, or just a moment, cut. I will write find the value of f of 2, for example. Okay, clear? Then I will give option A. Look here, it's clear, f of 2 is 1. I will just write, for example, 3. B, I will write 1. C, B is correct. C, I will write 0. D, I will write 10. Okay, now I have 4 options. The first option is false, the second true, the third false. So then I will write here 2 marks. Then here, for example, you can write something. You can write draw a vertical line passes through the point 2. Okay, and cut the curve of the function of f. Okay, curve of f of x. The intersection gives what? The y coordinates. The y coordinate, which is 1. Y equal 1, also equal f of 1. Clear? Okay, f of 1. Okay, now this is feedback. You just give feedback for your question. Then here you move to change this one answer only, make multiple answers allowed. Then you use capital letters, you should do like that. Then you give your answers. We told that, okay, the value of 2 is 1. I will check this one. The value of 2 is 1, yes. So I will here, I should, the value of 2 is 1. Then okay, so A is false. Move to B. B B is true. B is true. Give 100. Okay, 100%. Then C is false. D is false. Clear? D is false, the fourth option. Okay, then move here and save. Change. Okay, and save. Clear? Now, if you would like to preview, we will go to your mock. Mock, please. الحبيبي الله. Okay. Okay, I will come here now. I will add new question, then multiple choice. I will repeat it again to understand this. So question number one. Question one. Question number one. Okay. Find the value of f of 2. Okay. Okay. From the graph below. I will just change the question. Okay. So here I will make capital A. Is it 0? B, we told, is 1. C is -1. D, for example, is 3. Then I will come here to make 2 marks. Okay. Feedback, you can write, draw a line, something like that. Draw a line, or no need to feedback. Okay, I will just default marks we told is 2. Okay, then we move to the second part. Here you should allow answers, then capital letters, because MCQ is capital. A is false, B is true, B is true, B is true, 100%. 100%. You can write here as a feedback f of 1, f of 2 equal 1. Clear? Then the next, C false, none. Don't give 0% because it does not exist. Give none only. And D. Clear? Now I will save. I will save the first question. Save and continuing changes. Okay. Look here now, everything is okay. I will now move to preview. Look, when you did preview, it will be like that. This is the preview, okay? Your question will be like question number 1, not yet answered, out of 2 marks. Look, for example, this is, I will check, this will come in, make this is a line, so this is a 1, okay. He will accept this, huh? Okay. If, for example, he make B, B is what? B is A, 0. So he should choose what? Choose capital B. So the first one is B is 1. So this one the correct answer. Then it will be like that. Save, submit and finish. Okay, submit and finish. Okay, you can close. This is correct. Look here, it's written correct because we gave the answer. Okay, then I will close this. Clear? Now I will move to, we told change, and now I move to this one. When you change, you add only one question. You can add another. Okay, one other question. I will label it as question number 2. Question number 2. Here, question, but in fact it's difficult, Miss Noreen, to insert all the questions, but we will try. Question number 2. Then I will try to copy one question from here. I will, for example, choose this one. Okay. Okay. Or I'll choose another question from this. We hope so this one will appear, okay? Because sometimes it does not appear. We will see that. So, but here, before that, I will make control screen, then I will move to paint. No, sorry. Not this, not this, not this. Paint. Okay. I will make V, control V. I will take only this one, okay, because of function. I suppose that is clear. Okay. Then I will move here. Then I paste this one. I will write first given the function g of x equal. Then I will paste this. Okay. The question now, find g of negative, for example, 1, 2, 3, negative. Okay, find g of 0. It's very easy for the system. The answer is small 1. It will be 0. B, it will be negative 1. C, it will be 1 divided by 5, 1 over 5. Okay. D is 3, for example. So the correct answer is 1 over 5. This one correct answer. I should give 100% to the option, the third option, which is C. Then I will make here 2 marks. Okay. Then here you can write 1 squared plus 1 is 0 plus 1 is 1 divided. You can write only 1 over 5. Okay. This is the correct answer. Also, we can accept 0.1. Also accept 0.8 or 0.2. Both of them. Okay. Then you will make, let's say, multiple, then capital letters. Then you will move to give A we told false. Okay. B false. B is false. I thought C is true. I'll check here. Yes, C is true. C is true. Okay, C is true. C and give 100% because it's true. Then for the last one is D, no need to give. Then let's say save. Save changes, sorry. Then we have 2 questions at least. 2 plus 2 is 4. I will add another question. Okay, this will appear in the, okay, for example, this one also the same. I will make question number 3. Question 3. Then I will write, let's say, take one question from this one. For example, I will write the value of, okay, this one can't come, so I will make, okay, I will make screen, then I will move here to sort it out as a picture. So I will come here, I will write the value of, okay, then I will make copy and I will come here. Then I will paste this photo because, okay, so I'll just come here I will make A is 0, B is -1, C is -2, and D is 1. The correct answer is correct. The last answer, the last option. I will make 2 marks. Then answer here, you can write the value is equal to 1. You can write like that. Then one answer not acceptable. This one. Then move. We told A, B, C are false, so D is true. This is the first option is A false. The second option is B false. The third option is C false. Okay, C is false. Then the last one, D is true, and we are lucky to make 100%. Clear. Okay. Then you make what? You make save changes. Now we move to MCQ. We should finish, for example, with the MCQ. We have 6 marks. We need 4 marks, for example, for the quiz. I will go to add another question, but it will be not MCQ, numerical, for example, or calculating multiple choice. Say numerical short answer matching true or false. I will make numerical. Clear? Then I will come here. I will make question number 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Question 4. Question 4. Clear? I will come here. Then I will choose, for example, from this one question. Okay. I choose one question here from a consolidation task. Consolidation task, quadratic formula. Okay, I will choose one question here. Extend reasoning questions, EC. Okay, but here is we solved this one before. For example, sketching. Okay, how can you use? Okay, no problem. I will just make. I will make photo. Hello, brother. How are you? How are you doing? I'm recording, brother. I'm recording. So this is why. Alim, brother. How are you? Fine. So now I will move to the second question. Given the function y f. Okay, I will write y equal, then I will make control V. So I will erase y here. I will make find the y intercept, the vertex. Okay, then I will make here. Yes, brother. This is extended question. Okay, brother. This is 2 marks, of course. Here we have answers. Okay, we have answers. We have vertex is what? You can see that the vertex is 1, -4. It's 1 between parentheses 1, -4. Clear? 100%. Give us what means 2 marks. Okay. Feedback. The vertex. Turning point. Vertex is the turning point. Is the turning point where the curve changes direction. That's mean the vertex of coordinates axis of symmetry, x equal 1, and y, the y coordinates of the vertex is -4, I thought. Okay, Then we move to the second part. Answer 1 and answer 2. We have answers. So we have only one question. Okay? Question 4. So I will move now to make save and change. Then I will count how many. Okay. Save and change. What happened here? 2 marks. The answer must be, for example, 1 point negative. Okay, no. So I will just change this one as x is equal to 1 and y equal to negative 4. Okay, I'll check this one. Okay, now I will save and change. Then I will add the last question. What happened here? The answer must be a number, for example. Okay. So here in this one I will make x equal 1, and in the second one the answer I will make x equal 2, y equal negative 4. Okay, or negative 4, y equal negative 4. I will check this one. If not, we can, let's say, ignore this. Okay, but I hope so it works. No, it doesn't work. So here we'll make, okay, make here 1. Okay, and here make negative 4. But here it's clear by x and y. Change, صديقي. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Now we move to the second question, the last question. Question number. Okay. Question number, I will add another. So we have 8 marks. The last question, add a new. Okay, add a new numerical. The question is question 5. Okay, then I will come here, find the inverse. The question is find the inverse of the function that maps x into, for example, into y into 2x plus 3. Okay, 2x plus 3. Clear? Mean that. So this is about the answer, but okay, find the inverse. Okay, now I will make here find the inverse of the function, find the value, find the value of the inverse of the function when x equal, for example, 2. Clear? And the inverse function is function is equal to, for example, x plus 3. Clear? Here, so the inverse function x plus 3, if we suppose this is the inverse, so it will be 5. So the answer 2 mark, and the last part 2 mark. Now 2 mark, Mr. Murad. Be careful. Don't lose the marks, Mr. Murad. Okay, the answer here, my learners, it will just on the x plus will be 5, I thought. 100%. Okay. Answer number 2, خلاص, no need. Answer number 3, no need. Save changes. Okay. Now, خلاص, I finished it. My question is out of 10 marks. Then now I can move to the question. I will go back. خلاص, I create a mock quiz for grade 10. Then this is grade 10. I will go back here. The homework also you can do like that, but in fact it depends sometime. Now you okay. Okay, okay. This is the mock quiz number 1. You see? We hope so that we add everything, inshallah. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay. Ya Rabbi. Review the quiz now. Okay, now after refilling the quizzes, I will preview and try to answer. Okay, at start attempt. Okay, now question number 1. We have 6 pages, so the time is running. Question number 1. So, value of 2. Of 2. This one is 1. I will, let's say, so which is B, isn't it? This is B equal 1. So, the fourth option A is B. Oh, correct. Then, the second page. Okay. This is G of X equal, so here it will be 1 over 5. I will select C. What is C, C, C here? C, this one. This is C. Okay. The third page. This one. So, this one it's clear is 1, so 1 is D. D, what is C equal D? يعني the option C, the correct answer is D. Okay. I'll move to the second one. So the vertex is, we told, 1, x equal 1, and y equal -4. Or here we told that maybe he will accept our answers, maybe not. Okay? Okay, we'll see. We'll see, my learners, how to do that. Because in the feedback you should write, the answer should write 1, -4, but the model does not accept this one, so we will be more intelligent than the model, inshallah. Okay, now x2 is 5, correct. I will check, plus this one false, you see, 4 is false, so you must enter valid number, you see. Okay, x I will make x -4, I will check. Okay. This one also false. False because, so may I will lose 1 mark because I entered only 1. Okay. You enter valid number. Don't include the unit in your response. What can we do on this? Okay. So now I will finish attempt. Maybe I will take 8 over 10 because, okay, answered, all of answered. Okay, submit and finish. Okay, submit and finish. Okay, submit and finish. Okay, now I will come to here. Okay, now I will just stop the record.